Alright everybody, Papa Boosted here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. I got Beans with me. We're going to be going over this car show. We're going to be looking over what we got here. So let's go ahead and get started.
Probably is worth more than both of your parents' cars combined. Upsetting.
Alright everybody, so car show died. It's really dead here. Alright, so me and Beans decided that we're going to be going for tickets while we're here. So we're going to be doing a challenge. Whoever can get the most tickets while we're here. I don't know what we win, but we'll just prove dominance to one another.
Probably gonna be expensive as all hell. Oh, it just spun for me. What does it think I have no arms?
This is Beans' spin. Okay. Oh, what? Shit, that was so close on the first one. Alright, I'm gonna hit this one now.
There's no way you're gonna get higher than me.
Watch this shit. Yeah, fucking good spins, baby. We got the same fucking amount of tickets.
What are the odds, bro?
That's literally bullshit. Come one more time. There's Beans's, mine. I got a disadvantage. I'm using one fucking hand. Look at that, the spin meter. Alright. I got 70. Did I get 70? Yeah, baby, we won.
Racially, but
Alright, next up we're gonna try this one. We're gonna see who can get the fastest spin. How much did you get? 710 RPM.
yeah, 20 tickets.
Okay, so he got 20 tickets on his. Way too fast. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it up real quick. What I get?
16 tickets, baby.
Beans beat me on that one.
Tickets.
Alright, so we're gonna hit up another game kind of like the first one that we hit. So we're gonna be doing another spinning one. That's what the game looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and hit this one up. It's just like that one over there. It just looks a little fancier. So that's gonna be Beans's right there. I'm gonna hit up mine and we'll see how it goes. We're going at the same time. Here we go.
You didn't do it now. Whoa.
Alright, here we go. That was a little complicated. Motherfucker, that's heavy. That's so with one arm. That's crazy. So Beans got 25 tickets on his. We got 50, baby. Oh, motherfucker! I got screwed out of that one. Dude, that's these levers are heavy as
I couldn't even
shit.
push it down.
All right, you want to hit it up one more time?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go one more. All right.
I'll do it. I'll push twice and then maybe I can.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna let Beans go first, then he's gonna pass it over to me.
Damn, that's still heavy as all hell.
See what he gets.
15 tickets. And he got 50. There we go, boy.
There we go, there we go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next game as well, and then we'll pick it up from there. All right, we're now at the next game. Coin. You got nothing. You ain't get shit. Okay, here we go. Oh. Oh, wait, you have to press it to drop the chip. Press it down, buddy. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Set it for the bonus. Oh, so close. You got 40, got 40. You keep going? Or is that it?
I'm emptying into my account right now.
Cool, cool, cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit mine now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try out this next one. It's called Break the Plate. What we got to do is we got to take these balls right here. Got to take these balls, throw them at the screen and break the plate that's on the screen. So we're going to go ahead and try this beans up first.
Same time, and then...
Let me find my card real quick.
What?
Let me find my card real quick.
Alright, watch out, so I don't punch you in the face.
Alright, ready? Ready? Watch out.
Yeah. Watch your head. Oh my god! Okay. 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 Alright, watch out. Okay. I hit the roof. Bullshit. You hit midair. My God.
You get it. Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
Final round.
All right.
I'm not gonna get in the head. We're in the same exact spot.
Okay, okay. I got 42 tickets, you got 16. Alright guys, so we're gonna try to break the plate one more time. We're gonna see if we can beat our previous scores. I got 42 tickets, Beans got 16, so we're gonna see how it goes the next round. We're doing same time? Or we're still doing competition?
We'll just do competition, it'd be a lot easier that way.
Put the pulse down.
I didn't have a choice, so it's just you. Yeah.
Go, 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 go. ahead and pick up now at basketball. Me and Beans are gonna have a shootout so you can get the most points. So here's the game right here. Nice little setup right here. Ready? So I'm not sure what score I got, but how much did you get?
49.
So Beans got 49, mine went away, so I'm not sure what I got. But we're gonna run it back one more round and then we're gonna see who wins from that one.
One more round?
Yeah, one more.
Let's play one more game. It's multiplayer. Okay. Go ahead, start.
So Beans kicked my ass, so I got 12. Beans got 27. All right, so we're gonna hit another game. It's called Quick Shot. You gotta try to hit all the targets. So Beans is gonna go first, and we're gonna see how it goes for him. He's gonna be the one on that right screen.
You gotta hit it. You gotta.
Pretty solid.
Oh.
Those aren't targets.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
Pretty solid.
1 star, not good. I didn't know how to clear it off the damn thing.
1 star again. Okay. 1 star again.
How? How is that possibly?
Mission failed. Okay, he got a score of 3,350. Alright. Now that Beans took his turn, Beans just went. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it next and then we'll see how I do. See if we can beat the 3,350.
Dude, it's so delayed.
Did you do a single play?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
Dude, that shit's so cool, bro. You gotta draw and everything. That makes it way more fun. On your side, boy. The slight's not the most accurate. Yeah. There we go, there we go. That had to be 2 stars. No. What? 1 star? 61 bullets left. Dude, some of these are not even possible.
Alright guys, we're going to play another game. We got axe throwing actually at Dave & Buster's, so that's pretty cool. So we're going to hit this up and see which one of us wins.
Clear. Round one. Throw.
Okay.
Blu-ray.
I got 5 points at least.
It's solid. 5 points.
What?
5 points, solid.
I got?
Yeah.
How do you?
That is 15 points. Okay.
Blu-ray.
So you got all 5 points. You ended off with 30 points
Target to
total.
clear. Wait for the target to clear. Wait for the target to clear. Final round.
Right now, Miss Beans is going. Okay.
Blu-ray.
Back to Beans himself. Jesus Christ.
Ray.
We got 10 points
I
on
just
that
wanted
one.
to see what would happen. Alright. Bullseye, baby!
Okay, that was good.
Blu-ray.
Another 5 points ended off with 45 points. That's the game. So now I'm going to switch. I'm going to do a run, and then we'll see how we end up. I'm going to try one more on the classic mode.
One. Throw.
Okay. Okay, we got 50 points. 25.
Blu-ray.
95.
Let's go,
There
baby.
you go, 50.
Dang.
Wait for the
Don't mess
target
with
to
him.
clear. Throw.
Oh,
That's heartbreaking.
let's go.
There we go!
Let's go, baby. Bullseye.
75 points.
Hell yeah.
White ray.
Not too bad. 205. Fuck yeah.
Well, shit. Sheesh. Let me go to the bowl guy real quick.
Alright everybody, this will be the last game for this video. We're going to be playing Connect 4 basketball instead of just regular basketball. So this is what the game looks like. Obviously if you don't know what Connect 4 is, we got to match either 4 red balls in a row or 4 yellow balls in a row to win. And we're going to see what happens. Alright Beans, you ready? Start. Not what I wanted. What?
Really? Yes, thank God, that's what I wanted. Fuck, no way. Wait, what?
No.
Oh,
It's just a little delayed.
fuck off, bro. Race it.
One of them. There we go, baby. Let's go.
Fuck, bro.
Let's go. Let's go. I won. Red team, let's go. Red team's a W.
Oh, now I make it.
There we go. One hand shot.
Oh, shit.
Behind the back. Oh shit. Not the Glizzmeister. Alright guys, but that's gonna go ahead and do it for the end of the video. We got the Pavilions Car Show. It was kind of dead, but we picked it up. We got a little bit of action at Dave & Buster's. So it's been me, your boy Papa Boosted.
And me.
And we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah.
Peace.